Hey, third graders, it's Mrs. Young here, and your goal for today is to think about how that you would measure different objects in either grams or kilograms. Now, let me back up a little bit. What I really meant to say is how you would measure the weight or the mass of different objects in either grams or kilograms. All right, so that first unit I just said was a review, grams. Here on the screen, grams. 1 gram is the weight of a feather or a paper clip. It's that really small unit. Remember that little blue cube is the same as 1 gram, and it's what you would use to measure smaller things. So for example, I have a yo-yo here. It's really light. It's super easy to carry, not heavy at all. You're going to measure this type of an object in grams. Now let's say I had something much heavier. So for example, I have a big bag of flour. There we go. Big bag of flour here. It's a little heavier. Not terribly awful to carry, but I mean, I wouldn't want to do this all day long. This would be about 1 kilogram. So let me show you that word. Go on to this. There you go. So 1 kilogram is about the weight of a bag of sugar or a large dictionary. So about this bag of flour even would be pretty similar to a bag of sugar. So this is about 1 kilogram. And when something is bigger than this, bigger than about a kilogram, you're going to use kilograms to measure it, right? 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. Look at how, here we have the word grams, and inside of kilogram, we still have that word gram. This actually means 1,000 grams. This part kilo means 1,000. So this means 1,000 grams. Now, the reason people did this was because if you're going to measure something like this, right, it's a whole lot easier to say that this is about 1 kilogram than to say this is 1,000 blah, blah, blah grams. It's a lot easier to just say it's about 1 kilogram. Okay? So it's easier once we have those heavier things to start using a bigger unit. So what kinds of things would we measure in grams? Let's do that first. And really the question is, when would you measure in grams and when would you measure in kilograms? All right, let's move my little part right there. You would measure light objects in grams. Think of things that are very easy to pick up, like small books, pencils, boxes of cereal, small rocks. All of those things are things that you would measure in grams. You would measure heavy objects in kilograms. So anything heavier than a dictionary or a textbook or a bag of sugar would be measured in kilograms. Right now, your next step, I have another video for you. And in this next video, I am going to show you several different things that I am measuring, and I'm deciding whether I should measure them in grams or in kilograms. And then your last step today is going to be to find different things around your own house that you would measure in grams and things that you would measure in kilograms. So make sure you click on the next video so you can see some other examples.